Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will review a material about Anthropolinguistic and Ethnolinguistic. Anthropolinguistic is a branch of linguistics that studies the relationship between language and culture. It examines how language reflects people's beliefs, values, tradition, and ways of life. Ethnolinguistic, on the other hand, focuses on the relationship between language and ethnic identity, showing how language represents who people are and which cultural group they belong to. Together, these fields explain how language is not only a tool for communication, but also a reflection of culture and identity. To study language and culture, researchers use different research approaches. One of them is nomotic research, which aims to find general patterns or laws that apply to many cultures. For example, a researcher may compare how different societies use greetings to discover common rules of politeness across cultures. Another approach is idiographic research, which focuses on one specific culture or community in deep detail. Instead of looking for general rules, this approach tries to understand what makes a particular group unique. For example, studying how Japanese people use polite language to show respect is an idiographic study. The relationship between language and culture can be clearly seen in everyday communication. For example, in Japanese culture, people use different words when speaking to elders and to friends. To an elder, someone might say, "Panjenengan sampun dahar," while to a friend, they would say, "Kowe wes mangan." Both mean "have you eaten," but the different expressions show respect and social hierarchy in Japanese culture. This leads to the idea of cultural meaning, which refers to the special meanings that word and action have within a particular culture. For instance, in Indonesian culture, calling someone Pak or Bu shows respect, while in many English-speaking cultures, calling someone by their first name is normal and polite. This difference shows that the same word or behavior can have different meanings in different cultures. In conclusion, Anthropolinguistic and Ethnolinguistic help us understand how language represents culture and ethnic identity. By using nomotic and idiographic research, we can see both general patterns and unique cultural meanings in the way people use language. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.